Alright gentlemen, today we're going to put together the Hart wall mount, if I could talk, the Hart wall mount assembly shelf for your garage. I got this on sale from Walmart for, I think it was on clearance day for $40. So let's put it together, have some fun, see how easy this is. Hey, it's American made too. I know, it's easy to put this together, but I got a new Sony camera. I want to play with it, so bear with me. Watch. Let's build a shelf, shall we? I guess these are all the same. Oh, that's not good. Piece of plastic shaving. Huh. We got tubes, we got pipes. I guess that's your brackets that you use to mount to the wall. I don't know. If you're anything like me, your shop is a mess this time of year. It's actually a balmy, wow, it's 30 degrees out today here in the Midwest, so I guess I can't complain. More plastic shavings. I don't know what that's for or what that's for. That can't be good. More tubes. And like a true American professional homeowner, we're not going to use directions, but I don't think we need directions. You guys would really make fun of me and flame me on this video if you saw me needing directions for this. I shouldn't even be taping this, but oh well. Oh gosh, more tubes. I would live stream this, but I don't think my Wi-Fi would be too good back here. Would you watch a live stream of some guy putting together a plastic shelf? Be honest. Alright. So I guess it don't matter which is bottom. We're going to call, oh boy, that's not very flat, is it? Can you see that? That's wobblier than me on any given Tuesday a couple years ago. I don't think it matters though what the bottom is. I think they're all the same. They're all the same. I guess once we get everything together, it'll sturdy itself out. And I'm sure all these tubes are exactly the same. Yeah. Let's give it a little persuasion. Every tool's a hammer, right? I think this whole thing could hold 700 pounds. I don't know if we're going to be testing that out or not. I guess that's all we have to do. I'll just kind of press it. It doesn't give you any positive click or feedback that's in there, right? And I guess we just repeat this over and over again, huh? Like I said, I bought this because one, I need it for in here, and two, it was $60, but it was on sale. I said clearance before, not clearance, but sale for I think 40 bucks for about 10 pounds of American grade plastic. Yeah, look at that. We're halfway done. Whoops. $700 pounds, that's a lot of weight for just plastic. I don't know. Maybe have my ex-girlfriend come over, she could sit on it. Ooh, that was pretty toxic, wasn't it? Being honest. That is not lining up too good. Can you guys see that, or I have to move the camera? That is not lining up good at all. Oh, that's why. There we go. Give it another couple whacks. I guess once this is all done, I'll go ahead and put a couple more thwacks on there too. Thwacks. Is that a good way to say it? Let's raise this up a little bit there. More tubes. This is a, gosh, a 5-year-old could do this. And we're putting this on YouTube. We gotta think of some more content, guys. I'll say whatever YouTubers like, subscribe, comment below, helps grow the channel. That way we can do more fun things. You could build more fun shelves together. Ooh, this is a pretty tall boy. I'm over 6 foot. This is gonna be as tall as I am. She a tall boy. Ooh, it's a little wobbly. Like she had one too many. That was good for now. And the last shelf. Doesn't look like they gave you, no extras. So if you break or bend one of these tubes, I don't think you will, but who knows? We're all professional homeowners. We all make mistakes, as I almost kicked my camera over that I just bought. Let's raise it up a little more since we're, whoops. Taking me higher. Bam, smoosh. That's crooked, ain't it? Alright, gentlemen. I don't think this could be any easier. I said a 5-year-old could do it, and I think the only obstacle in a 5-year-old's way of doing this would be the height issue. I wouldn't recommend putting too much on this top shelf. Now I didn't tell you guys the brand. This is that Walmart brand. Is that Hero? They have those tools and everything. Those black and white tools. I don't know how good those are. Are they American made? This is American made. But yeah, Walmart brand. You guys trust Walmart? Should I put all my paint on here and flammables? I wouldn't. I'm not going to. This is just for more storage. I have some stuff on the ground I want to get up off the ground and make it look a little bit neater back here. Look at that. You could buy 2 kits, go even higher if you want. So if you have Shaquille O'Neal over or someone that's 10 foot tall, this can go up to 12 feet. Put a basketball hoop on it and dunk on it. Let's give it a couple more thwacks and call it a day. It's actually going down probably about 1 inch or so as everything gets seated in. I don't want to go too crazy on it. It is getting a little bit more sturdy. It's still a little wobbly though. There we go. Pretty good. I don't have a place to put it yet. I can wait till warmer weather. I guess that's a wrap, guys. It is kind of wobbly, but it does come with these. These anchors here. They clamp onto these bars, and you can screw them into your... Can't see that, can you? You put them on here, you can screw them into your wall. Definitely use these. This is very top heavy, especially if you put heavier things up on the top. I kind of recommend that. We're not stupid. Put heavier things on the bottom and gradually put lighter stuff on the way up. So there you have it. Thanks for coming along with me today building a plastic Walmart shelf. I know everyone on this channel watching it knows how to do it, but oh well, something fun. Have a good one, guys.